Hey everyone, I love giveaways because it's just one way we can show our appreciation for all those who attend our events as well as participate in our, in this event, Blackstone Grill Raffle. So we sent out a quick survey to your email. If you want to take just a minute to complete that, that would greatly help us. Hey Carmen, so we've been pretty busy this last week. What have we been up to?
Well, we actually were part of the tour of homes for Marion and Polk Home Builders Association this year. That took place from the 12th to the 20th. And one of our favorite contractors actually had a home in the tour as well.
So Skyline Builders invited us to co-host with them at 5501 Lipscomb Street Southeast in Salem, Oregon. Carmen, can you tell me a little bit more about that home?
I would love to, Mark. This home, just that 6,000 square foot home, is absolutely gorgeous. From the custom finishes and the custom floor plan, it was an absolute must-see in person.
Was it pretty busy? Did you have a lot of people attend?
Oh yes, Mark. It was busy from start to finish. We were able to catch up with our clients and as well as the industry colleagues. We met so many new people and look forward to working together in the future.
As an appreciation for all those who attended and all those who partook in our raffle, we're going to be raffling off this 36-inch Blackstone griddle. So one lucky winner for this grill will be coming soon. So let's step over to the conference room and pull a name out of a hat. So Carmen, we had quite a number of participants. We couldn't put them all in a hat. What are we doing instead?
Well, with well over 400 participants, we've actually decided to put them into a digital drawing. We have the wheel over here, and Mark will go ahead and push that button to see who our lucky winner is.
You can see the names flying right across the screen. This is so much easier with a computer. And our lucky winner is Lauren Bernard. Congratulations, Lauren. Thank you all for participating in our raffle, and I will be reaching out to you to collect your grill. Thank you all again.
Thank you.